Hello everyone, it's DG Hacks. We're here and we're like a few minutes away from Georgina, which is like 2 hours away from where we live. We biked here. It's been a real pain. Yeah, we stopped like 2 times.
We're in Georgina now. We're going to Keswick.
Yeah, we're gonna go. We're like 85% of the way there, and Keswick is just like there. We feel so accomplished. There's 2 of our guys over there, or just 1. I don't know where the other guy is. I guess I'll meet you guys there. See ya. Alright. We're like in the depths of Keswick. Not really, but we're gonna go see the lake. We're at Shangri-La, which is a street, and see Chris is obsessed with it. And we're gonna go hoping that this will lead us all the way to the lake that our good friend Tedesco is helping us show us. We're finally here. This is victory right here. Like 2.5 hours to this. 100% complete. How's the lake? How's your feet? Huh. You think it was worth the bike ride? Yes. It was definitely worth the bike ride. And if you freaking drive my bike into the lake...
Oh yeah, there is a nice one.
Here, right now I have video proof that this guy might drive my bike into the lake.
No, actually goes right into the lake.
Whatever. Yo, stop. Oh! Fuck. Yeah, that's right, man. It's footage.
I'm not gonna throw it in.
Put it down.